Is this your Discord?
No. Okay, guys. So today we are gonna be playing Animal Company with him.
Yeah. Subscribe, like and subscribing, and comment. You're the best.
All right, now.
No.
All right, what do you want to go first? It's your decision. Oh. I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry. I had to cut the video out. I have 2 grapplers.
No.
What happened?
No, he did not.
What?
I'm sorry. My annoying sister is messing with me.
I can hear it. Yeah. All right. Where do you want to go
Well, they're
first?
playing with a friend. I don't know where to go. That's the thing. Oh, let's go to mines. Wait, no, not mines. Let's go to there.
Sewers?
Sewer. Yeah. Get a flashlight. No, you're gonna need a grappler. I know that for a fact.
I know.
Just get a weapon too, cause the only weapon I have is a stick.
Here.
So.
Here.
Yeah, I can't pick it up, cause I only have 1 battery.
Yes, you can. You have to hold. You have to use like this button. Pick it up. All right, let's go. You ready? Yep. Ah! You left your book bag. You left your bag.
Yeah, I know. I don't need it.
Hold on, let me get this out because I don't want to lose my grapplers. So those took me years to get. Alright, come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Watch out, left. I think it's the time to turn on your flashlight.
Yep, come on.
Wait for me.
One of my sisters calling me. Yeah. Yeah.
Right there. Don't shine the flashlight. The kids are scared of flashlights.
Why? What do you mean?
Come on, just do that.
What do you? I know. I'm sorry.
Bro, why would you do that?
Dude,
Here, come up here.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. No. Sorry, guys. Haven't played in.
Bro, that evil chicken! There's an evil chicken!
I know. I see it.
Kill that one.
Come here. You killed me. I killed you. You. Let's come down. Alright.
Okay, come up here.
Okay. I'm coming.
I'm trying to get some research. Here. Oh no, not today!
Don't worry, I'll save you. Let me heal. Yep. Dang it.
Oh, my grappler.
Never mind, I should have took it. Here you go. Not your grappler. I should have took mine. Oops. What are these? Come here. Come. If you're low health, you can come down here. And eat. What happened? What happened?
Bro, I'm staying on this pool.
Come here. Come here. I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you safe. Stop it.
Right there.
Freaking running. Come on. Come on.
Nah, bro. I don't even have a weapon.
Where's the crowbar? Where's the crowbar that I gave you? It's right there.
Where?
Back. It's
It won't let me mine stuff.
I have to get off, bro. I have to get off. I have to get off.